So,
So true.
It's so true.
Yeah.
I like Derek. I have been following you on social media, of course, and I can say like sometimes we don't recognize the stuff that how far we have come. Right?
Hmm.
Sometimes we don't recognize it, right? And when you
That's
hear it from
true.
other people, it's like, what? For real? Like, but I've watched your content and have seen you how you develop. So when he asks skill set, I mean, you can speak now. Like it comes so
Hmm.
naturally for you to just, hey, take out your phone and just talk to your audience. That's something that you develop that you didn't had before.
Oh, that's so true. That is so true. Man.
leave it to
See,
Queenie,
you,
boy.
yeah,
Leave it to
I know.
Queenie, boy.
Ooh, she dig deep. No, but that is true because in the beginning, it's like I was trash. Like I went, oh my God. I went back and I looked at my old videos. I just
Uh,
looked at my old videos because I'm like, you hear all this stuff about TikTok possibly being banned and all this
yeah,
stuff,
Right.
right?
yeah.
So I'm like, all right, let me go back and download all my stuff, right? Just in case, you never know. So I went all the way back and I'm looking, I'm like, oh my God, this stuff is
Yo, I
garbage.
can't wait to check that out tonight, man. I'm going to your first video.
Oh, don't do it.
No, but
Don't do it,
it's
bro.
good. No, it's good. Listen, that is
It's a
a
progression.
Yeah.
It's
exactly, David.
Did you really
Because see,
see
a
that?
lot of people come out here and they think, "Oh, how are you so confident on camera?" I didn't start this way. Like
Mm-mm,
none of us did. It
mm-mm,
took practice. We literally had to create content every single day in order for
mm-mm.
us to reach where we are right now.
Definitely
Yep.
so.
Yep.
Definitely.
One
Yeah,
hundred percent.
yeah, man. Leave it to Queenie to go pick that out, bro. She's just gonna be
Yeah.
like, that one.
that
Nah,
one.
There is so
that's
much
it.
more I have seen, like with Derek talking, like building an audience. That is a skill set. Like to be able
Hmm.
to build a community and be able to help that community. That is something that he didn't have before. Facebook
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
group. He didn't have that before. Now he
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
cultivated that. Facebook group. Now I'm in his Facebook group. I'm seeing the things that he's doing each and every day. That is something that he didn't have before.
Mm.
So you mightn't see it, but I am. Like I'm outside and I'm seeing it.
Man.
Mm-hmm.
That is so true. Cause you don't realize the per you don't realize your own progression until you look back or until somebody else notices it. That it's crazy that you say that because somebody just sent me a message maybe a week ago and they're like, I can't wait to get like you on camera one day. And I'm just thinking like, hey, we're our own worst critics at the same time. Like in my head, I'm like, I'm cool, you know. But you don't know how many edits that I had to do, and how many
Yeah.
reshoots, 20 million
Yeah.
times that I've had to do to get to this final product.
Yeah.
But when I do look back, I'm like all the things that I talked about back then were completely different than what I spoke about now. Like
Yeah.
I did a lot of the clickbaity stuff and a lot of the
Mm-hmm.
things I was just not really realizing. You know, like I'm just doing a lot of what I see, you know,
Mm-hmm.
Right.
and as you grow and as you learn more and more, then you learn how to start, you know, your content starts um,
Developing.
developing,
Yeah.
and the different methods for building an audience, the way that you deliver a message starts changing, you know, and I start researching how to deliver messages, and that starts being developed. It's just like a constant progression every day. Like every day, you just always have to have that mindset. You grow 1% every day, and eventually you're gonna be good.